As you've just seen, in spite of being middle class and relatively well-known, the Meli family, like all families, will face difficulties and struggles. However, Heart and Soul will ultimately aim to be a positive force for change, providing solutions to the myriad of everyday challenges facing people from all walks of life, rich and poor, urban and rural. To ensure that our characters are well received and the program stays in touch with our audience, extensive formative and evaluation research will be undertaken. As the cornerstone of the project, this will provide key information on the program's popularity and effectiveness. It will guide and shape the creative philosophy, content, and direction.
Heart and Soul will aim to present 4 to 6 messages per episode. These will be relevant to the UN's broad development mandate, with priority themes such as poverty, environment, and health running throughout the series. Messages will be presented in a positive and subtle manner to avoid any possibility of being high-handed, patronizing, or dogmatic. The popularity and ongoing nature of the soap opera will allow for topical issues such as AIDS and drug abuse to be addressed. With ongoing feedback from focus groups, issues can also be revisited in future episodes.
This project must be viewed in the context of a long-term communication strategy. An initial project term of 5 years in 3 phases has been planned. Heart and Soul will be launched with a public relations campaign. This will be an opportunity to highlight the project's collaborative nature, give exposure to all UN organizations, the private sector sponsors, and help to establish the necessary future funding. The crucial formative research will take place, and 13-half-hour television and radio programs will be produced and distributed on national TV and radio in East Africa. They'll also be broadcast on Group Africa TV and the Regional Reach Community Television Network.
In Phase 2, the television and radio episodes will be increased to twice a week with a weekly repeat omnibus edition. A live theatre skit using characters from the soap opera will be devised and staged on Group Africa Rural Communication Roadshows. With an average audience of 3,000, the UN previously used the roadshow technique very successfully for awareness promotion. It also offers a tremendous merchandising and sampling opportunity, where relevant UN information or materials can be distributed. Phase 3 envisages the adoption of further support media, including interactive multimedia, particularly targeting youth. Drawing on material and characters from the television program, video education packs will be developed for use in schools and universities. The introduction of print media will provide further support to the ongoing face-to-face and electronic media executions.
In line with recent UN reform, Heart and Soul offers a compelling opportunity to forge a partnership with the private sector. Sponsors will contribute to the project's funding, thus ensuring the campaign's sustainability. Whenever possible, sponsorship and association opportunities have been built into the project structure to allow commercial organizations to participate in and support all elements of the project's funding. However, there'll always be a need for co-funding from donors, and it is anticipated that the Nairobi-based United Nations Information Center will act as a conduit and management organization in this regard.
Heart and Soul provides many benefits to the UN system agencies and sponsors. It creates a powerful and popular communication vehicle for the promotion and debate of positive attitudes, creating awareness and behavior change in the region. From this will come society role models and celebrities who will provide further opportunities for message promotion as regional goodwill ambassadors. It raises the regional profile of the UN family and develops a strong project framework for adoption in other regions of the world.
Indirectly, Heart and Soul will provide an injection of work for the local television, radio, and print industries, as well as creating opportunities for the development of creative, technical, and acting talent. It demonstrates high-quality production values available from local producers, encouraging private sector sponsors to consider financing other local television programming options, helping to maintain and foster regional cultural values.
In conclusion, Heart and Soul is a determined, concerted attempt by the UN and its partners to harness the power of the mass media in East Africa. Heart and Soul will reach out to a rapidly growing population with reliable and thought-provoking information to help in the realization of the region's full cultural, economic, and creative potential. Its success goes to the very heart and soul of the United Nations Partnership for Africa.